If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to, and I hope I say this right, the Lemonza bag by Country Cow Designs. This is actually more of a clutch wallet than a bag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So this one can be done with a crossbody strap like I've done with this one, or a wristlet if you prefer. It has a flap closure, which is held with a magnetic snap, a pocket here, let's see if it fits my phone, and it does. I have the largest iPhone 15. On the inside you have a zipper pocket, you have 2 large slip pockets, as well as 12 card slots. So this is a great clutch slash wallet. It's got gusseted sides or wing sides there. She is simple and she is sweet. So as a crossbody, she is worn nicely, or as a wristlet or without. So it's got this nice decorative overlay here and here. It's just amazing. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you'd like this bag, you know what to do. All my information is down below if you wanted to order your own. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up soon. This is actually the bag that we are doing for, I gotta make sure I get the right year, the Tuesday, January 2024 classes. We're started on January 9th. We did the cutting class. So if you want to join us for a class for this, you could definitely do that and join the membership side on the Tuesday and Thursday tier. I believe that is tier number 5, I believe. Or you can wait, and at the end of the month, the tutorial will be released to the public side of the channel as soon as the classes are over. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye!